Hello guys, welcome to the channel English with Farshad. It's very bad. She's very smart. I'm very sad. It's very cold. It's very bright. Be very careful. Oh, very good. I'm very happy! Yeah, you're right. You got this video's point of view. By watching this video till the end, your daily spoken English will be upgraded. Guys, before we get started, if you enjoy watching my videos, hit the like button for me and leave your comments below. And for the last but not the least, hit the subscribe button for me and never miss out any videos. In this video, we are gonna have an interesting part of our daily spoken English. So, let's start! We are going to have a very important
Denied.
Okay. We are going to have an important section of... See, these are basic English, okay? If you agree, keep up with me to find it out why I'm gonna tell you you have to stop saying very with your adjectives. I'm gonna teach you how to avoid saying very in your daily spoken English. We have a bunch of adjectives that you can use in your daily spoken English instead of saying very in order to emphasize with your adjectives. Okay, let's face them. Because it's a very vast topic, it's the very first chapter of this subject. Keep up with me and I will upload the next chapters in next few days. Imagine if you are learning English in any levels, like elementary or pre-intermediate, no matter what, if you use these adjectives in your daily speaking English, you will feel like a pro one, like an upper intermediate student, or even more. For the first one, don't say very bad anymore. Say awful. Awful. There are two meanings for that. First one is very bad or unpleasant. For example, he's a pretty awful driver. Yeah, got it? He's a pretty awful driver. Or the weather was awful. No matter what, it's cold or hot, you can say the weather was awful. For the second one, awful can be used to emphasize how much or how good or bad something is. For example, you can say that an awful lot of people died in the Ukraine war. Yeah, it's sad, but truth is, it means that unfortunately, it's a large number of people died in the Ukraine war. Here is a grammar tip. Awful is not used with very. You say it was a really awful experience. Don't say it was a very awful experience. Okay? Got it. Don't say very smart. Say intelligent. Intelligent. An intelligent person has a high level of mental ability and is good at understanding ideas and thinking clearly. Like a group of highly intelligent students. An intelligent conversation, comment, or question shows that you have thought about something carefully and understand it well. You can say, you can't have an intelligent conversation with him. Another meaning can be an intelligent creature is able to think and understand. For example, this question, are there intelligent beings on other planets? Another meaning of this adjective is an intelligent machine or system is able to learn and use information, like YouTube artificial intelligence. Don't say very sad from now. Say sorrowful instead of very sad. Is it better? Yes? Say sorrowful, sorrowful. For example, you can say, dear one, be not sorrowful. For example, this dialogue, a lot of damage has already been done, he said sorrowfully. Don't say very cold. Instead of it, say freezing. 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 Okay? Is it better? Say freezing instead of very cold. For example, you can say, we were freezing cold in the tent last night. We were freezing cold in the tent last night. Or you can say, close the window. It's freezing cold in here. Got it? Don't say very bright from now. Say luminous. Luminous. Okay? From now, instead of very bright, say luminous. It means shining in the dark, like a luminous color. Like you can say, her large dark eyes were almost luminous. It's a classy adjective. Or it means a very brightful color, especially in pink, green, and yellow. Don't say very careful. Say cautious. Cautious. Okay, from now you can say cautious instead of very careful. Is it better? Of course you agree with me. It means careful to avoid danger or risks, like a cautious driver. A cautious driver. Or like a cautious approach to crisis. A cautious approach to crisis. Here is a grammar tip. You will be cautious about doing something, okay? For example, John is cautious about his decisions. John is cautious about his decisions. Don't say very colorful anymore. Say vibrant. Vibrant. Is it better? Yes, of course you agree with me. From now, instead of very colorful, you will say vibrant. Vibrant. V-I-B-R-A-N-T. It means full of activity or energy in a way that is exciting and attractive. It's a very nice adjective. For example, you can say New York is a vibrant, fascinating city. Or you can say she was 16, young and vibrant. Or it means a vibrant color is very bright and strong. For example, you can say that painting is full of vibrant colors. Don't say very often from now. Say frequently. Frequently. Okay? By the way, from now, you avoid saying very often. You will say frequently. Frequently. Clearly, it means very often or many times. For example, you can say he was frequently drunk. Here is a grammar tip. In everyday English, normally people say that something often happens or that something happens a lot, rather than say it happens frequently. They say, I often see him, or I see him a lot. Don't say very good. It's too basic, yeah? Say excellent. Excellent. By the way, from now you avoid saying very good. Instead of it, you will say excellent. Excellent. It means extremely good or of very high quality. For example, his car in excellent condition. And here is a grammar tip. Excellent is not used with very. You can say it's a really excellent idea. Don't ever say it's a very excellent idea. Don't say very happy. Say ecstatic. Ecstatic. Okay? From now, you avoid saying very happy. You will say ecstatic. ecstatic. Absolutely, it means extremely happy. For example, the kids were ecstatic when their parents brought home the new video game system. Or like ecstatic fans, means huge fans. Guys, for the shortage of time, this is the end of this episode. Keep up with me and I will upload the next episode of this subject. I would like to say again thank you for watching me. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and leave your comment below. And the last but not the least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed it yet, and never miss out any of my videos.